Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our G9 Orbital two-step ceramic kit. This is a great kit to improve your paint finish and leave behind a very durable ceramic protection. It's super easy to use, a beginner can do it, and so can an advanced enthusiast. It all starts with the machine polisher in our G9 Random Orbital Polisher. If you're new to machine polishing, this is a great tool for you. If you're an experienced enthusiast, it's a great tool as well, and you can expand it with your capability and confidence over time. To start you off though, we pair this machine with Correcting Cream, which is our medium grade abrasive that is capable of removing a lot of swirl marks and most surface defects, but it won't chase the most deep of scratches. But if you get started with this kit and you still see some of those, guess what? You've just taught yourself how to machine polish and you can chase it with a more aggressive abrasive and pad setup. Paired with the Correcting Cream, we feature two of our 6.5-inch orange foam correcting pads. They're color-coded so you know to use them together. These are medium-grade foam and should be great at removing most swirl marks. 2 pads is enough to get you around most cars, and if you clean them well, they should last you an incredibly long time. After you've corrected that surface, you're going to need to protect it. That's where ceramic 3-in-1 wax comes into play. Work your way around the vehicle with your machine polishing process, and then once you've wiped up all the excess polish, you simply work your way around the car with ceramic 3-in-1 wax, misting a light amount onto every surface and wiping it up. The longer you allow this to cure, the more durable it will be. To wipe up all those excess products, we pair it with 6 microfiber plush edgeless towels. These are utility players that can be used to absorb detailers, such as speed shine when you're doing your decontamination process, and they can be used to remove excess polish, such as Correcting Cream when you're working your way through your correction process, and excess ceramic 3-in-1 wax as you're working your way through your protection process. These towels do a lot of jobs and they're machine washable, so they should last you a while as well. This kit has everything you need to get started, get your car looking great, and leave behind an incredibly durable protection. For more information on each of the individual components, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.